You just get more at Sunset Ford.
Okay, so you're looking for a brand new Ford, and you think, I'll just drop by a few Ford dealers, and surely one of them's going to have exactly what I want just sitting there on the lot waiting for me. It could happen, Shirley, and my dog can play the banjo. Nah, the best, easiest, and quickest way to get a brand new Ford just the way you want it is to special order it from the factory. And absolutely no one can get you that brand new Ford quicker or for less than Sunset Ford. Build it just like you want it and get those money-saving factory incentives, too. Plus, warranty protection for life and oil changes for life are included with every single qualifying new Ford. Just put down a teeny, itsy-bitsy deposit. It's 100% refundable in case you change your mind. It's fast and easy at Sunset Ford of Sumner.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that.